Hey, welcome to another show. Today on the show we have a very easy to fly drone. It is the Beebeerun Wi-Fi first-person view quadcopter drone, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to set this up. And my cat is going to be watching here. So there's an on and off button on the back side of this drone. So you click that on and right away you're going to see some lights that are blinking. And that means that it is on. And so to sync that up with the controller, you want to hit this red button right there. Move the handle up and down, and that means that it is synced. And to start this drone, all you have to do is hit this button right here, and it'll raise up to a nice altitude, so you're ready to fly. But for right now, I'm going to hold on to this so it doesn't take off in my studio. I'm going to click on the button to show you how easy it is. This drone is so easy to fly. I'm going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. All right, let's do a quick unboxing and see what we have here. Very excited to see this. Oh, this is super cool. I love the colors of this drone here. And inside the box, we also have a controller. On the controller, they actually have what all the buttons are on this. So this is pretty cool. The cat is even digging it. I like the buttons on here. It has a red button. Looks like the keys are really comfortable to use. Let's see what else we have inside the box here. We have some guards. We also have an extra prop. Couple extra props, a screwdriver, and a cord. This looks like you can charge for charging the battery. All right, I also noticed that it comes with 2 extra screws and 2 extra prop guards. So that was really nice. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go charge this battery, and I am super excited to go try this out in the field. All right, why don't you join me? So if you want to learn how to fly a drone, this is an excellent first-time flyer drone. I love how simple it is to fly, and then you can move on to more advanced options. To start the drone, install the battery, switch the drone on, switch the controller on, take the left handle and push it up and down, and then you are synced in with the controller and the drone together. And just a hit of one key, the lift button, and you are up and running. And from there, you can take your time learning the controls. I suggest keeping it at a low altitude and have this in an open field at first, so that, if your drone does drop, it'll land in the grass field. The drone has lights so you can see the front and the back position easily and at a long distance. And with time, try some tricks, flips, and higher altitudes. It's easy to do flips and barrel rolls with just one touch of the button. You'll have about 7 or 8 minutes of flight time with the battery, and the lights will start blinking when the battery is running low. So I suggest buying a few more batteries, so this will increase your flying time. This is compatible to iOS and Android. As you can see, I have everything set up perfectly right now. I have the controllers showing on my phone using this app, and here we are live using the camera on the drone, and everything's working perfectly. And so you can see that I have a Galaxy S9 Plus. It's a very wide phone with the case sitting really nice in this clip. It holds it nice. So right now we're gonna go outside and give this a try. All right. My drones stay in a Rubbermaid container in my car because when I go to the park, I just love to fly with them. It is so relaxing. This Beebeerun drone is super tough. It can take some bumps and falls to the grass and still hold up. And they also include some extra props in there. I like dealing with this company because of the great customer support that will answer questions and give suggestions. At such a great price and the option of getting more batteries, why take the risk of damaging an expensive drone if you are just wanting to have an easy drone to play and learn with? Anyone that flies a drone, they say it is so relaxing and you feel like a kid again wanting to fly through the sky. This drone is so easy to fly. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I think you're going to be really happy with this drone and the company. They offer great customer service. I will provide a link down below where you can find this. And once again, have a great day. Adios. Bye-bye.